In this video, we'll show you how to change the inner tail light on your Honda Civic. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to replace the Honda Civic car battery. Your vehicle may have a carpet that needs to be removed to access the light bulb in the tailgate. To remove the light bulb socket from the tail light housing, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 4 inner tail light holding nuts. To remove the inner tail light, you need to remove the protective strip from the license plate light. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the bolt holding the trunk lock and the strip in place. Use a fork to unclip the 4 clips holding the license plate light protective strip in place. Then remove it. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Use needle nose pliers to pinch the inner taillight retaining clip. You can now remove the light. You can find the inner taillight in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new taillight. Put the light back in. Screw the 4 taillight retaining nuts back on by hand until they make contact. Finish tightening with the multi-bit screwdriver and the 8mm socket. Put the socket into the taillight housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Clip the license plate light protective strip back on. Screw the trunk lock retaining bolt back on. Operation complete.